Today we're going to show you how to replace an old antiquated GE DS64 meter with a new IN 7300 meter from Schneider using the SUSI adapter. First of all, just remove the cover by unscrewing the 4 thumb screws in each corners. And then throwing the cover away, you won't need that again. And then you have the paddles to remove in the top and bottom that'll short the CTs. There's no need to turn the power off or rewire anything. And then next you remove the latch at the top and the bottom and slide the old meter out. And you can throw that away, you won't need that again. And you take the new 7300 IN meter from Schneider, and it's already pre-wired in the adapter. Just secure it, slide it in, secure the latches at the top and the bottom. Then take the plugs to energize the meter, the top and the bottom again. Take your new cover, it comes with the adapter, and mount that. And just tighten the 4 screws. And in the 4 corners. And there you have a new IN 7300 where there used to be a old antiquated GE DS64.